What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great, and welcome to Roman Percussion. My name is Will Roman, and on this channel I upload different rhythms as well as different tips and tricks to help you along as a percussionist. If that interests you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I upload new videos every Friday. Also, be sure to go ahead and leave a like on today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a playing comparison on my set of cowbells. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below what's your favorite cowbell, whether it's a part of this setup that I showed you today or your own personal setup. Let me know if you have a high pitch, mid pitch, a low pitch bell, where is it from, and definitely I'll be sure to take a look and maybe see if I can even grab one myself to give it a try. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also leave a like. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy your weekend and I'll see you next Friday. Peace.